gooseneck trailer. The plate on it here says it's a 1984. We do not have a title with this. These inside boards measure 11 feet 6 inches long. And about 64 inches wide. Loading and unloading ramps that'll hook up right here. This board right here looks like it needs replaced. That one up there. Guys, these boards are probably going to need some attention. You got a broken light here. Looks like they got into something right here on this fender. You're going to buy it as is with no title. Absolute on Tractor House Auction.